at the Atlanta ZG meet. I brought the Z to its first meet ever. Also overheating like hell. When you check out what the hell's going on, my fans aren't kicking on, so it's causing my car to overheat like crazy. So the coolant's actually like rises up. But yeah, we're here. Oh, ooh, that's clean, dude. Oh, sheesh. I thought my car was cool, but damn, never mind. Oh, okay. Okay. Is that on? Oh, he's getting gapped. On, you're getting on. I'm gonna gap out of you.
The track car is about to
Dude, look at this little lineup, bro. Oh, that's dope. That is clean. Sheesh. Look at these fast guys. Hey, hey, only fast cars park here. What's up, Han? So Han just pulled up and made me feel bad, you know, no big deal.
I'm glad to see this beast in person.
Oh, thank you, man. Jeez, man. Where were these when I was driving, man? Jeez, bro. Did you sold the rear wheels though?
No.
Oh, there we go, man. Yeah, bro. Dude, this car, absolutely insane, man. And we got enthusiasts, bro. No, park with me, bro, you dick. Park with me. What are you doing? Hello? We're supposed to be biffles. What the hell, bro? Wow. Oh. What do you mean, dude? All I see is a whole lot of money, bro. What the hell? Y'all rich, bro. Dude, we got two Nismos next to each other. Dude, it's adorable. Dude, what's going on, man? Bro, I'm overheating like hell, bro. My fans won't kick. Yep, it's like looking at your future, bro.
Yeah, how you doing, fast guy? That's your future.
Sheesh.
That's his future.
God, bro.
That's the fastest guy on the block right here, man.
Facts.
This is what I was looking at, how to relocate this thing. Had to put a hole in the middle of the bracket.
Now it's hot under there, man. Just...
Yeah, right? Bro, I'm telling you, all I see is a whole lot of money, bro. Y'all rich, bro. I wish I was like you guys. Damn. Oh.
Talking to a guy that's pushing 500.
I don't know what you're talking about. Bro, you, man.
Was that a Nismo thing?
Yeah, this, yeah, the
Center console?
Yeah, this is all Nismo. But dude, look at what the hell? Finding Nismo? What the?
Hey, it's custom made.
Yeah, dude, that's dope, bro. Nissan 370Z, bro. What the hell? What is going on here, man? But if you guys been watching for a bit, you know I've been loving the. My bad, bro. I've been loving the Soho air-to-air kits. But we got a whole bunch of turbo cars pulling up now. Jeez, bro. Jeez, he out here, he ain't saving no wealth for nobody, bro. The Nismo bumper on the G, bro. Jeez, man.
It's just a Tesla, dude.
It's just a Tesla? Damn, dude, Tesla's looking good, bro.
Tesla's using gas?
Damn, bro.
That's all they need.
Dude, that interior too, sheesh. Wow, man. Oh, look at this guy, bro. What's good, Mark? Bro, stop flexing on us, man. Damn, dude. Sheesh. Look at this guy, man. Whoa, whoa. What the hell did you just say, bro? Come on now. Come on now. Don't show your face at Z1, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, I'm not even gonna lie, dude. I'm gonna put this thing on camera because that is this G. Bro, clean, man. And he wrapped it himself, bro. This is super nice. It's fitment, bro. Every car that's here right now is like, it's not like super packed, but every car that is here is like dope as hell, bro. Like everything, like, but it's packing out pretty well. This like baller of wealth lineup over here with like a beautiful background and all that. This means dope. All right, well, I mean, On's trying to call me out in his high horsepower. Dude, I'm getting gat, bro. The meet was actually pretty lit, I'm not even gonna lie. So you already know me, I'm trying to get some Mexico runs in, but we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be the first time I'm running a boosted VQ, especially like a well done one. So yeah, I'm getting parked. god, I'm scratching so much! On, you're too fast for me, bro. Dude, you freight trained me like up top. Jesus Christ.
No, he didn't.
Wow, bro. Oh.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bro,
That was so close.
it was so good. We got so close, bro. Oh my lord, bro. Dude, nothing like a cop being like right there. Look at this underglow. I got capped. Jesus Christ. On is too funny, bro. Oh, dude, facts, bro. Like, honestly, if I was gonna take any L, I'm super glad it was on, cause that was fun as hell, dude. Like, bro.
I'm gonna send you all the videos.
Oh, please do, man. On, honestly, good runs, dude. That was.
Hey.
I know the first one I got the jump, so I was like, oh, I gotta give him a better race than that. But I was like, my bad. But
I didn't hear the 1, 2, 3. I was like, oh.
you can't hear crap because of the blow off valve.
And then the curve went out. I was like, what? Let's see if my car can handle it.
Yeah, we went on that curve, and I'm just like, I'm like, dude, I'm dying.
Hey, win or lose, that was hell.
No, that was fun, bro. That was fun. On the 40s, I feel like I hung, or was it a 40 or a 50?
We did 60. We did
No, on the last one, the very last one. Because that one was definitely under 60 because I was in second gear.
50. Yes. It was 50?
Mm-hmm.
And I knew you were on second gear. So I put mine on third.
Oh, for real? Oh, you dick, for real?
So I let you go, but then my boost kicked out.
Oh, I was like, oh, I hung in there. Damn, way to just make me freaking, wow, way to just flex on me in once. Nah, bro. Bro, honestly, man, again, dude, that was sick.
That was so much fun.
Sheesh, bro. Oh, and my car out here underglowing. Oh, yeah, I was like, I ain't stopping, bro.
And then I saw that curve, I was like, oh.
I was like, I'm not stopping, bro. Dang, he gave me the gap, bro. Look at that, dude. Yeah, but you caught up. I was just like, I saw you and I'm like, oh, he's chasing. And I'm like, oh, I'm getting gapped. I saw you just coming up. Yeah, I mean, but I hold in there, like, I'm all right, you know, for what I make, I'm happy.
Fast.
Thank you, dude.
There's no way this thing is 467, I know that.
No, dude, that is, let me get some light on you. That is 467, my guy. That is.
You're lying, that's 500.
I would never lie on the internet.
Just like John said, in the street, your PSI is all over the roof.
Nah, my PSI is probably at like 20, and then like on dyno it's 17.9. 6.6.
But look around though, Mexico City?
Oh yeah, Mexico's beautiful, man. I love it out here. It looks almost like the meet we went to.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Engineering yourself?
Not by myself, but a lot of friends. But I've gotten a lot of help. So I don't want to claim it's just me, but I definitely did learn.
But most of this is Florida.
Yeah, all my Florida homies, they helped me out with this one. So we out here, bro. But yeah, I mean, at least I got to pop the underglow on you hoes, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
When you popped that, I was like, he wanted to do a drive-by. I was like, all right, let's drive by and get a video. That looks so
I had a feeling, I thought you guys wanted me to do a pool or something, so I was just all right. Yeah, I just had a feeling. I was like, all right, let's just do it, F it. But yeah, man, well, I'm going to continue this on when I got more light. Back at it again with the iPhone quality just because I'm being lazy, but ugly day. Jesus. Well, y'all already know. You guys saw the video. Took my first L, but it's all right, man. I ain't even stressing. Being down almost 200 horsepower, racing against a well set up Z. I'm not even mad, bro. On's car is awesome. And like, I have no problem running on. I knew I was gonna get Gap from the beginning, but I just had a feeling y'all would want to see it. I'm not even gonna lie. I want to run people that I have fun with. I don't know, bro. I knew I was gonna get Gap, but I knew On's just dope. So no complaints. I'll definitely come back. I wanted to kind of see how it do. I knew I was gonna get parked, but I want to see how it do with stock turbos. I'll definitely come back with upgraded turbos. Throwing a code, so I also have to check that out. I know it's the oil pressure sensor. I just need to finally do something about it. But yeah, man, I'm just happy to finally get some dope runs. To be honest, this car just does it, dude. Like, I've ran other people that are more on my power level. I got a couple of boosted VQs that have also called me out, but are more in like the 5s, like low 6s. Low 6s are probably gonna be a little bit of struggle, but I'm running some cars that I wish I would. Like, now I carry my GoPro at all times. I wish I had my GoPro because there's some cars that I'm actually just fucking, like, just destroying. Like, and some people are witnessing, but no one's gonna believe it until it's on video. So thank you guys for watching. I am saving up for upgraded turbos. I am gonna run on again when the turbos are upgraded because we'll definitely be at the same power level. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because it really does help. I am building, like I said, I'm saving like crazy. You guys have no idea how much of a help it is just to get a like and a subscription, because then it helps build the channel and I can do more cool things. But thank you guys, man. So if you guys are hyped, if you don't know my car, it is gutted to living hell. So I kept everything from like here front all right, except the carpet. But yeah, this is my car, VR swap 370Z. A lot of people asking me, oh, why'd you do this? Why didn't you just boost 3.7? It's not as fun, all right? It's not as fun. Who the hell are you, bruh? People in the comments I know people are gonna go wild in the comments like you should have boosted the 3.7. Well, then it would have been like every other VQ channel and all that stuff. Like, I want to have fun. I like doing weird, different things. I'm gonna do what I like to do. So in the end, if you don't like it, it's not for you. I understand, but I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna mod my car how I like. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, make sure you guys like, subscribe. I appreciate anybody who's made it this far. And if you have made it this far, comment dingus. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one.